Harvard Business School has been ranked amongst the world's top three leading business schools. Accordingly, we will be discussing on one of the publications of Harvard Business School Professor Ranjay Giulati's book with the title of Deep Purpose, along with the theme of the heart and soul of high performance companies. Author has shared some of the key messages. Change is inevitable. Good intentions are pivotal in business. This demonstrates defying classic transformation models. Culture, structure, finance, strategy, and market aspects are aligned or interlinked. However, there's a gap between the purpose of the company's existence. Agenda of the book contains three main topics. First one is elaboration on purpose. Second one, what does it matter? And the third segment of the publication addresses on how do organizations enact purpose. In this pyramid, it discusses on what, how, and why aspects of the purpose of a company. At the top, it lies the purpose or why the company exists. And at the bottom of the pyramid, we can see the tactics for the day-to-day operations, which is focused towards attaining long-term company purpose. In between, we can identify the values and behaviors, vision and strategy of the company. This illustrates what is deep purpose from pursuit and ranking of outcomes to an organizing principle. Left side picture denotes instrumental view of purpose, and the right side figure shows an extension intent. It discusses on sense making and identity of the company as well as motivation. The second segment of the publishing for the book discusses on why does it matter, and the purpose matters to a great extent, and the benefits of deep purpose has been noted by the author. Purpose should be directional, motivational, and relational, and there should be an aspect of reputation in relation to purpose of the company. Final part of the book of the Harvard Business School's professor discusses on how do organizations enact the purpose. As shown here, performance of the company and the deep purpose of a company is being interlinked by some factors such as directional, motivational, relational, and reputational related factors. And deep purpose is being surrounded by discovery, dissemination, rewiring, and reaffirmation characteristics. This is what former CEO Lego has stated. If you want to transform, not just turn around a company, you need to find the essence, just like finding out your purpose in life. Satya Nadella, the leader of Microsoft, has stated writing a purpose statement is easy. What comes next is much harder, in his opinion. The master narrative depicting a coherent and ambitious change with moral potential, the enterprise intent to bring about the world has been shown here, and it denotes about the company's purpose. This gives us an organizational architecture pertinent to several world-class organizations such as Microsoft, Mahindra, and Lego. Purpose is at the core, and it is being surrounded by culture, processes, people, and structural aspects. Main takeaways of the publication is from big ideas to great ideas. Book discusses primarily on deep purpose of the existence of a corporate entity. Henry David Thoreau, who is an American philosopher, has claimed it is not enough to be industrious. So are the ants. What are you industrious about? Matters a lot. With that, we will be concluding the presentation. For more of this kind of videos and presentations, kindly Google Gayan Nayanajith. Thanks for watching.